Welcome back to Frankie's Workers. I'm MTU, and as you know, this is my journey to build the Going Merry. Today's video is about me building this mini Merry. The rest of this video is just going to be minimal talking. It should just show the step-by-step of having a 3D design and bringing this to life. I'm having some difficulty taking off the main supports, these bits, so I may just cut away at it. Okay, well hopefully that time lapse was helpful. In this form you can see that there's definitely some rough patches here. These weren't super easy to get off, but now that it's off I will start tidying up. But so far it's good and it can stay flat on there. And what I'm going to be doing is using this filer, and I've got another set. This one, I'll see which one works, but I've also got some sanding paper for hopefully when it gets a bit finer. I think this is the same as the black file as well.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay, Okay, so this is where I've got to with the Going Merry. You can see that the mast has been broken, and I've tried to make some of the Tangerine Grove. I've put some details on the Merry head. What I found is I can't get a smooth surface. I might try file some more. So what I might do is get some primer. I was looking online how we could kind of get rid of the lines and kind of make a smoother surface. The plan would be to kind of spray the surface with the primer, and that should kind of fill the gaps if you kind of layer it properly. Alright, here we go. We're in the shed now. I don't know how good the audio is, but I've got some things to hopefully make this model a bit better. Some air drying clay, so hopefully I can make the mast again. I got some sealer for after we paint it. I got a primer. Okay, we've got the Going Merry with the first coat of primer on, and you can see that there's still a lot of lines here. Some of it will come out with another coat and hopefully try get this sanded down a bit better. It's not so bad. I think once we paint it, it should look better. Well, I have the 3D printed Going Merry, and I've done the second coat of primer. It's much smoother. It doesn't look it, but it is much smoother here. The only issue, if you notice, is the mast is broken off again. So the rear mast broke first, and I thought I was to replace it with this clay. It's dry clay, and it still feels like it hasn't fully dried yet. But the plan is to stick it on there. I've got the topsail part here, and the mast itself is broken, so I need to attach that. What I tried to do was use the 3D pen to fix that, but the new plan is to use some good old glue and fix it right up. So I will try that. So what I've tried doing is gluing the mast directly on, but there's a problem. It's not gonna stick down. So what I'm gonna do is keep the glue on. I think that's plenty for now. Find like a good position for it and use some blue tack to kind of just support it. My modeling skills, obviously you can tell with the mast, is not great. I'm not sure which way to spin this. I think what would have helped is if I flattened one of the surfaces down. I don't have the tool right now. Maybe that should help. I get some glue and put more of that on. And now put this on to have a relatively flat surface. Okay, we're finally going to paint the Going Merry. I've put some masking tape around the areas that I don't want to paint, so I just want to do the overall base, and then I'll see which parts. I think I'll do the Merry's ears, and which other parts can be this brown color that I'm going for. So not off to a great start with the white paint, not really loving how that looks. I need to get some better acrylic paint to put on and fix that. And that's it. Ta-da! I'm really proud of this. This was like my friends have been really impressed with me saying for months and months that I'm gonna build a boat, and this is proof that I can. I'm really proud of the details that have gone into it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.